Hi there, absolutely massive parcel delivered today. Trains. This is the full size 1 Graham Farish starter set, also referred to as the Gaffer passenger set. It comes with all the instructions and a full circle of tracks. There's even some pre-soldered track with pre-soldered fish plates, and then here pre-soldered track locomotive. And what's fascinating is special coupling which they have, which has disappeared from the market since then. There's also some damage to the coaches. The couplings are all intact, and some damage to the plastic insert. Now let's check whether this whole set is working at all. There's a full circle consisting of 8 pieces. In addition, we have the pre-soldered piece, which I put in now, which looks a bit dirty, so I wonder whether it will actually be working. I will use the original Powerbox 300, which is included in the set. It is working. That's like the red arrow. And indeed, the track is a bit too dirty for the locomotive to pass here. And before lost one of the coaches, oh dear. But it's ups and expected, it stops again on the dirty track. Overall, I'm very pleased to have purchased this unusual Gaffer train set, and therefore I'll leave a happy face. I hope you've enjoyed this video as well, and thanks for watching.